my family vlog. Thanks for watching my video supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cookies. This is very crunchy and very easy to make. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. Vinegar, baking soda, baking powder, Maida, butter, sugar powder, white choco chips, vanilla essence, cocoa powder, milk and color. Take a bowl and put butter, vanilla essence and sugar powder. Mix well. Like this. Now sieve and add Maida, baking powder and cocoa powder. Mix well. Now add baking soda to vinegar. Add vinegar mixture to dough. Add food color. Gradually add milk. Now add choco chips. Mix again. Now take small portions and make cookies. Like this. I decorated with the choco chips on the top. Now we need to bake this. See, my cookies are ready. See, my cookies are ready. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Also, don't subscribe.